Okay, getting on to sanding of the guide coat. Start to find all my minor imperfections now. Just started doing that so you can see the guide coat stays in the lows and the sanded spots get sanded down. That made sense. Anyway, so I'm going to start doing all this with the DA electric sander and then get in there by hand all the smaller spots. Start going around. After using the 320 on the electric DA, not too bad. A few spots here and there, burned through here. Found a new low spot here. All in all, pretty good. So now I just address the rest of the black guide coat by hand. Any low spots I'll fill, and then re-epoxy the whole thing and then do it again. Low spot here. Yeah. Working well. Today's a rainy day, so I'm going to put on some more of this brushable seam sealer all along my welds where I welded a new pan, 4-pin here, all along the rocker, inner side, up around the wheel well, and up over here where I have some more welds, and do the same on the back side. Nothing too exciting, but something that needs to be done. So yeah, raining outside. So, staying indoors. So yesterday I finished up blocking the whole truck down, sides, top, and all the way around. Found all my low spots, hit them with some glazing, so now I'm just starting to sand them off. And then earlier on, I went around and re-sprayed the inside here where I cut through with some spray 2K epoxy. I touched all that up. And then next, once I get this all sanded back down, filling up the high spots, sorry, the low spots, which are still in here. Then I'll go over all those again with the roll-on 2K epoxy. All right, and here's how we finished the weekend off. It looks pretty sweet. Got the whole front end put on for a dry fit. I got 2 more coats of epoxy put on, seal everything up, all the bare spots of metal. Now I just got to get this thing scuffed up, and then I put on the high build urethane primer. Stay tuned. Boom.